Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how I accomplished this look. I call it a simple Christmas look that you can do on Christmas Day and still enjoy time with your family, looking good, looking glamorous. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the video. For this simple Christmas look, I'm using the James Charles Murphy X palette. And for my crease area, I'm just gonna use that brown right there. We don't want anything complicated, so I will just dab that on my crease and blend it out. I don't even want too much of that color. So what I have already dabbed in, I'm just blending that out. I would do the same to this side. Don't want too much of that look of that eyeshadow. So with what I dabbed in, that's the only thing I'm using, going over. And I forgot to mention, I did my full face off camera, and if you would like to know, there is a video that I have done on this. So with my crease area done, I will then I will just bring up my eye slightly, not too much, nothing overpowering. Okay. Oh dear, I messed that up. I was blinking. I will clean that area with my concealer. I'm gonna do the same this other side. The eyeliner I'm putting is not going all the way to the front, it's just kind of ending somewhere there. I have got hooded eyes, so I just don't want my entire eyelid to disappear. What we've done with the top part, and for my bottom part, I'm using a flat brush with the P. Louise Roma 04. I am just going to dab that on there. If you don't have the space, you can use a concealer. I'm doing this because I just want the color I'm going to put right there to pop. For my under eye, I'm using a black eyebrow pencil. I was working on something today, so my eye is kind of red. I spent a lot of hours on my laptop. So when that is done, I'm using the green from the James Charles Murphy X palette, And I am going to place that green right below where I have put the black eyebrow pencil. So and then I will just blend that out. Using a flat brush, I'm just kind of going to blend that area out. Blend the shape in. Then when that is done, from the same James Charles palette, there is a shimmery gold color on here. It's not a deep, it's just kind of on the brighter side. It's a shimmery color. So I'm going to take that and plug it right there. Once that is done, I'm now going to line my lips with a brown eyebrow pencil, but because I don't have a brown eyebrow pencil for now, I'm using a brown eyeshadow. It's dark. This chicken kind of looks very dark. And using the same gold shimmer that I used there, I'm going to put that on my lips right there. And because it's a Christmas look, I'm going to finish this off with a red matte lipstick. You could either do red matte or you could go for red glossy lips. And we're finally done. This is a simple Christmas look that you can do without kind of overdoing everything. It's kind of neutral and you're gonna enjoy your meals and family time. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's bye for now, till next time, bye.